Hey there, fellow data enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Project Pro channel. Today, I'm going to share the top 3 tricks to get a data analyst job. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of this exciting field and bring your career to new heights? Well then, let's dive right in. Before we jump into the how-to, let's briefly discuss what a data analyst actually does. A data analyst can be compared to a detective in the world of information. Just as a detective gathers clues and investigates a case, a data analyst collects and examines data to uncover valuable insights and solve problems. They use their analytical skills to detect patterns, identify trends, and make sense of complex information. By exploring data like a detective explores clues, a data analyst helps businesses and organizations make informed decisions and solve mysteries hidden within the data. Alright, let's get started with step 1. Learning the fundamentals. Familiarize yourself with key concepts such as data types, variables, and basic statistical analysis. Online learning platforms like Coursera and Udemy offer excellent introductory courses that will give you a solid foundation. Gaining experience through projects. This is where you'll truly shine and demonstrate your skills. Start by working on simple, self-created projects using publicly available datasets. As you progress, take on more complex challenges. The beauty of data analysis is that you can find datasets on almost any topic, ranging from healthcare to finance to marketing. Let Project Pro be your secret weapon to landing your dream job as a data analyst, providing you with industry-ready data analytics projects across industries that employers are seeking. Practice, practice, practice. Apply your knowledge by working on real-world data analysis projects on the Project Pro platform. This hands-on experience will help you develop critical thinking, problem-solving, and data interpretation skills. Create a portfolio showcasing your projects to demonstrate your expertise to potential employers. Finally, it is all about expanding your network and joining data communities. Seek out local data meetups or webinars where you can connect with like-minded individuals. Engaging in discussions and sharing experiences will not only broaden your knowledge but also open doors to potential opportunities. Online communities, such as Reddit's data-focused subreddits or LinkedIn groups, can also provide valuable insights and connections. By following these 3 tricks, you'll be well on your way to becoming a data analyst. Remember, learning the fundamentals, mastering analytical tools, gaining experience through projects, networking, and continuous learning are the keys to your success. Congratulations on discovering 3 valuable tricks to help you land your dream job as a data analyst. Now, let me show you how Project Pro can further enhance these tricks and empower you on your journey to becoming a data analyst. With Project Pro, you can go beyond theory and demonstrate your expertise through real-world projects. Our industry-grade solve projects in data science, machine learning, big data, cloud computing, and data engineering provide you with hands-on experience that sets you apart. By including Project Pro in your portfolio, you'll impress hiring managers with tangible proof of your capabilities. Explore Project Pro today and unlock a world of possibilities in your data analyst career.